Hello and welcome to English Snacks, a delicious little podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Amber. I'd like to serve you my insights so you can develop your fluency. Please feel free to enjoy this snack at a slower speed if you need, or pause between example sentences if you'd like to repeat them. I serve you the English snack, but how you enjoy it is your choice. In today's episode, we're going to look at the term head. That's right, the top of your body, where your brain is. In English, we have many ways to incorporate this word into explaining feelings and situations. Let's start with 6 idioms. 1. To be head over heels, to be completely in love with someone. For example, she's head over heels for him. 2. To bite someone's head off, to speak to someone in an angry way. For example, I just asked a simple question, but she bit my head off. 3. To get a head start, to start something before others, giving you an advantage. For example, I woke up early to get a head start on my work. 4. To use your head, to think carefully or use your brain before acting. For example, come on, use your head. Don't make that decision so quickly. 5. To bury your head in the sand, to ignore or avoid facing a problem or difficult situation. For example, she keeps burying her head in the sand instead of dealing with her problem. 6. Off the top of one's head, saying something spontaneously without careful thought or research. For example, I can't remember the exact date off the top of my head. Now for some funny expressions. 1. Off your head, acting crazy or not thinking clearly. For example, are you off your head? Why would you do that? 2. In over your head, being involved in something that's too difficult or complicated for you. For example, I think I'm in over my head with this project. 3. A big head, someone who is overly proud or thinks they are better than others. For example, ever since he won the award, he's got such a big head. The following terms are also common and can be used in everyday situations as well as business English. 1. Head of department. This refers to the person who leads a specific department in a company. For example, Sarah is the head of the marketing department. 2. Head count. This is the total number of employees in a company or team. For example, we need to reduce our head count by 10% to cut costs. 3. To make headway. This is progress or forward movement, especially toward completing a goal. For example, we've made good headway on the project and expect to finish ahead of schedule. Well done! You showed up today and finished this episode. You are making headway on your English. I'm proud of you for listening and practicing. I hope you feel nourished and energized after this English snack. It's time to head off, meaning to go. But first, could you do me one small favor, please? If you know someone who is learning English, could you please pebble them the link to this episode? It would really mean a lot to me. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be here for you, dishing out bite-sized lessons to fuel your growth. So, come hungry for knowledge.